Good evening, everyone. A warm good evening from Team ICHARS again. And this weekend, we have completed yet another batch who have just finished their workshop on anxiety counseling certification program. And they are here to share their feedback and testimonials about this workshop. So who would like to go first? Yes, Devyona.
Hello everyone, my name is Divaina Chakraborty. I am currently studying BA Honours Applied Psychology. I have attended ICHARS Anxiety Workshop that has happened for 2 days, the 3rd and 4th of December. It was an awesome experience. I got to learn so many things in so little time. My key takeaways would be learning and applying I feel dash about dash when statements, along with understanding flip model, Betty Erickson, and then when then statements, techniques like transformational metaphors and progressive muscle relaxation techniques. The program was a good stepping stone for my future desired. Thank you.
Thank you, Devyona. Thank you so much. Who would like to go next? Yes, Kunja. Let me just put you on the spot. Yes.
My name is Gunja Bhankhara and I'm doing a BA in psychology, and I did the anxiety counseling course, and my key takeaways are mindfulness and the transformation metaphor. It was a really nice program. I got to learn a lot and would help myself for my anxiety, and I can help others hopefully. It was really good for my career and for my professional life.
Thank you so much, Gunja. Who'd like to go next? Gayatri or
I'll go.
All right.
Hi, good evening. This is Gayatri Joshi. I work as a HR professional, soft skill trainer, as well as a practice psychology as a psychologist. I was looking for some workshop who would help me in enhancing my skills and, helping my clients practice some grounding mindfulness techniques. And this was the best workshop that I could come across. I must compliment Divya Raksha for her amazing facilitation skills. The way the program is structured, it's very interactive, very well placed. Each participant is given an opportunity to practice the skills, so it is definitely hands-on. The very useful notes are provided, queries are answered. So I very strongly recommend this course for whoever willing to and keen to explore psychology, at the same time who is willing to work on their anxiety on themselves. So must go to course. Thank you, Divya. It was amazing experience. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So we're left with Shruti. Yes, Shruti.
I'm Shruti Vijayan. I'm an homeopathic doctor. I have attended recently anxiety counseling workshop with ICHARS, and it was an amazing experience. Actually, eye-opening experience, because I think this is one of the best things happened to me in my life, because it gave me clarity about how to deal with a client in a more practical way. The highlight of the course is practicals. You will get a lot of practicals with your peers, and ma'am introduced us a lot of organized way of dealing with a client. So, and Divya ma'am also made us very comfortable while doing that, and she was just amazing. And I would strongly recommend this course for everyone, whoever like to enhance their psychological skills. Thank you.